Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Susie. If you're seeing me for the first time, then welcome, and if you're an old supporter of mine, thank you for stopping by once again. Please join the family by subscribing and hitting the notifications so you get notified every time I upload a video. I post mostly fashion and beauty contents. So today we're gonna do an unboxing, and of course I already went ahead and cheated because I already opened these up, but I could not wait, so sorry about that. So this comes in a white box with a foiled Jumpman, and at the back it comes with different Nike logo, the Nike logo, Nike, the swoosh, it says just do it, and blah blah blah, which I think is super duper cool. Okay, so I have mine in a 9.5, women US 9.5, okay, which is a Europe 41. And this is what you see when you open the box. And these are lows, quite similar to the other video I posted before this one. They are so similar. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you both of them side by side so you see the small differences, despite this one being a mid. I think the color blocking on this shoe is beautiful. It comes, the tongue is leather, generic leather, and it has the Jumpman and it says Air. And if you go a little bit down, you see the 23. And like I said, mine is in a size 41. And it has the pattern leather going all around the shoe. As you can see, the pattern leather just makes these shoes ultra beautiful. And the Nike swoosh is in a pattern leather. And you see this pine green color at the back. And the shatterback board orange color. And the insoles are just black with a red Jumpman. To me, oh, I forgot to talk about this royal blue at the back and the Air Jordan, what do you call it, stamp, whatever, I don't know what that's called. And it has at the toe right here, it is white. So just take a good look at this. I think these are so beautiful that I had to have the other one and this one, because I don't think I think if I wear these shoes, nobody's gonna tell if I'm wearing the other one or this one. But to me, these are just beautiful shoes, and I'm so in love with these retro ones. I cannot get enough. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to show you an on foot. So you see how they look on foot as well. But to me, this is just ultra beautiful. And since these are so hard to come by here in Norway, when you see one that you like, you just have to grab it as soon as possible, because within the matter of hours, they are all gone. So it is very hard to find these here. Most of the times you just find the mids and the mids and the lows, but I actually only succeeded in buying one highs. But to me, it doesn't really matter the mids or the highs or the lows. I just want the fit of the shoes, but I think retro ones just look amazing with anything. I wear them with dresses, I wear them with jeans, I wear them with literally everything. And these are the other ones. As you can see, they look quite similar. The only difference is these ones are mid, these ones are low. And if you see the back of the shoes, you see the color blocking. Although they use the same colors, it's a little bit different. I'm gonna switch it up at the toe so you see the differences. This one has the chatterback board color block, and this one has a white and black color block. The tongue on the lows is leather and with a white Jumpman, whereas the tongue on these other mids are lilac vinyl type material with a red Jumpman. I'm gonna turn it on the side so you see. Sorry. So this is what they look like. And because I'm a bit of a collector, I just feel like I need every single color. But to be honest with you, I think if you have these, you don't necessarily need these. And if you have these, you don't necessarily need these. But I'm growing my collection. I don't have that much. I think I'm gonna make a video of my retro ones, everything that I have in my collection. It's not a big collection. It's just gonna be like 6 or 7 shoes max, but I think I'm gonna make that video pretty soon. So right now I'm just gonna show you an on foot version of this one, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because it's really gonna help me a lot as I'm on the road to 2K, and only you can make that happen for me. And in the comment section below, please don't forget to tell me which of the shoes you prefer the most. Some people are definitely gonna love the mid, some people are gonna love the lows, because some people do not like mid, some people do not like lows. So I'm very curious for you to tell me what you think in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.
Bossy Cyclop, pull a chaffy from God, they show me na green lights. She heard that I stay high, now she wanna be part of the flight. Tumba futang we and got lost like Nak Soti was skin lights. But you don't pass, but they want cast, mango job craze. Saka don't bad, got it on dust, cut our place. Today na for shake body, like tomorrow no day for appliance. Anyhow they didn't get the jam, mola, na job for the dance.
If you two know to dance, do as you know. Make you know they judge my dance step. You too over know. Okay, come on, change ya style, change ya style. Come on, change ya style, change ya style. Come on now.